How to add more processing memory on your Tecno Spark phone, and this is using the feature known as Mem Fusion. And this basically will allow you to use your base storage as virtual memory, and of course that's going to allow your phone to run faster. Let's go ahead and get started. To find this feature, go ahead and use the quick access like this here. Tap on the settings toggle right there, and as you go into it, you can start by typing in the words MEM. And it's going to show you Mem Fusion, which is memory fusion. All right, so when you see it, go ahead and tap on that one time, and it's going to take you straight to where you need to be. Now, of course, you want to go ahead and turn this on, and if it was off, you may be required to restart your phone to make use of this feature and then come back here. Now you can choose the virtual RAM feature. So at default, it'll most likely be set to 5, but it's up to you. And of course, make sure you have enough space on your phone. You can switch to 3 or the 8 if you would like that. And of course, once you're done, let's just say I want to go with the 8 here. It's going to ask you to restart your phone. And once you're done restarting it, it'll have it now set as an additional 8 gig RAM. Like and sub.